In precision measurement, accuracy is everything. Constructed with heavy-duty stainless steel, this Precision Vernier Caliper is engineered for extreme durability. The premium build ensures your measuring faces remain perfectly parallel and entirely corrosion-free, delivering dead-accurate results through years of punishing everyday trade use. Inside is powered by a high-capacity CR2032 battery. This lithium source ensures a completely flicker-free display and an extended shelf life, even when it's exposed to extreme temperature fluctuations in the workshop. To keep your investment protected, it arrives in a rugged, custom-blown mold case with an integrated maintenance kit including the exact precision screwdriver required to maintain the crucial IP67 seal. To truly lock out the elements, we eliminated the weak point found in most digital gear. Instead of a cheap, sliding plastic door, it utilizes a mechanical screw-down battery lid. This heavy-duty mechanical seal maintains absolute waterproof integrity, offering protection far superior to standard sliding compartments. Workshops aren't sterile environments. Dust, grit, and moisture is everywhere. That's why this unit features a complete IP67 submersible rating. It provides total immunity to fine dust and survives water immersion up to 1 meter deep, making it the ideal precision tool for heavy machining and rugged fabrication and everyday trade use. Pick up the Renegade Industrial Digital Vernier Calipers today, available in store and online at tradetools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. Link in bio. So what's your take on these digital vernier calipers? Let us know in the comments.